If you've ever wondered how to zoom in Prezi, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to move around your Prezi presentation, zoom into specific parts of your layout, and quickly jump to the exact area you want to edit or present. This is a super helpful skill whether you're building a new presentation, refining an existing one, or just trying to move around Prezi a little faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, when you're inside the Prezi presentation creator, you'll see that your presentation is built on a large canvas, almost like a giant map. Instead of using traditional slides only, Prezi lets you navigate around this big visual space. One of the simplest ways to zoom in is with your mouse scroll wheel. If you want to move closer to something, just scroll the wheel up. As you do that, Prezi will zoom inward right around your cursor position, which makes it easy to focus on the section you're pointing at. If you want to zoom back out, just scroll the wheel down. This pulls the view backwards so you can see more of your presentation layout at once. This is really useful when you want to get your bearings, check the overall structure, or move from one section to another without getting lost. The key thing to remember is that the mouse wheel gives you fast, smooth control over your position on the canvas. Another easy method is to use the left sidebar timeline. On the left side of the screen, you'll usually see a panel with numbered slide thumbnails or steps. These represent the different parts of your presentation. If you want to jump directly to a specific section, simply click on the numbered thumbnail you want. Prezi will instantly snap the main canvas camera into that exact area and zoom right in. This is especially helpful when you're editing a large presentation with multiple parts. Instead of manually dragging around the canvas and searching for your content, you can use the sidebar to move straight to the area you need. It saves time and makes the whole workflow feel much cleaner and more organized. Now, there's also a very handy trick when you're in the overview slide. If you see a text box and want to zoom in on it quickly, just double click on that text box. Prezi will automatically zoom into that position for you. This is one of the fastest ways to focus on a specific element when you're working in the overview. So if you're trying to edit a title, adjust a paragraph, or fine-tune a section of your layout, double-clicking is a great shortcut. It takes you directly to the content instead of making you search for it manually. When you combine that with the mouse wheel and the left sidebar, you've got 3 simple ways to move around Prezi much more efficiently. Here's a quick recap. Use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out around your cursor. Use the left sidebar timeline to click into a specific slide or section and jump straight there. And when you're on the overview slide, double-click a text box to zoom directly into that spot. Once you get used to these controls, navigating Prezi becomes much easier and much faster. If this video helped you learn how to zoom in Prezi, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.